When a commercial kitchen is in operation, an efficient and high-performance exhaust and ventilation system becomes essential. Windmason Arabia successfully delivered a complete HVAC and ventilation solution for a commercial kitchen project in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Our team designed and installed an efficient air distribution system using 700 linear meters of high-quality ducting across the kitchen area. To control heat, smoke and odors, we implemented a powerful exhaust system with premium quality fans built for continuous and reliable operation. Multiple IDEC units were installed with a total capacity of 70,000 CFM, delivering 100% fresh air with up to 85% energy savings, mounted on custom-fabricated base frames to ensure stability, durability and reduced vibration. This kitchen project demonstrates Windmason Arabia's expertise in delivering reliable, high-performance HVAC and ventilation solutions. Windmason Arabia, breathe the finest, breathe economical.